Located between Zaragoza and Barcelona in northern Spain, it's a fabulous circuit, very technical, quick and challenging to ride. It's turn 4. Another quick change of direction and then ease back on the throttle. Drops away dramatically. So aim to get most of your heavy braking done before the tipping point with only a light trail to better, but you have to make the apex, which is critical, which is just onto the back straight and time for a rest. Okay, let's see that run at normal speed. Exiting the pits, keep over to the left hand side of the circuit, keep left of the line and build up your pace up into turn 3.